Alright, UFO sightings, what is it? Take a look at this, guys. Our first thoughts were this is some kind of satellite, but there are no images of satellites like this. And look at the front end, it is lit up and it just drops off here. It's an incredible footage here. It just seems to be flying. The source sees it, he's by the wing and he starts capturing the UFO, and then it just goes down and it drops off. And then take a look at the actual UFO. It looks like there's multiple parts to it. There's a back end, and then the center looks like it's almost the same as the back end, just smaller. And then, you know, the front over there. How is this thing staying afloat? It doesn't look like there's any jets or anything like that. So the front seems to be glowing orange with the knee pointed out in the center. And then the UFO just goes right down underneath the wing there. Some incredible footage over here, guys. Here's this, it's brought in closer for you. Zoomed in on it, and looks like there's some metal around it. This footage came to us August 6, 2017, so it is brand new footage that we did receive. And this was, you know, this is pretty incredible footage over here. Look at this. Then it just goes down right here. Just excellent, guys. Excellent footage. Alright, underneath the wing. Man. Here's an extreme close-up. That is a UFO for sure, guys. No idea what else it could be. None whatsoever. Look at that. I mean, definitely, is it a new satellite? That is a possibility, right? But we haven't seen anything like this, and we can't find any images like this on Google. So we're just going with a UFO. Look at the front end there, it's lit up. It's like some orange glowing thing. But there's the footage, guys. If you like seeing these videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We have some links for you down in the description. Check it out. And one of the links is to our newsletter, where we post unedited videos and videos we don't get around to posting on YouTube. It's free to sign up, so check that out, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, Area 51. This is some amazing UFO footage, guys, and this is what the source is claiming. This is where he says that the plane, you know, was flying over. I mean, I don't even know. We don't know if the plane actually, you know, if they're allowed to fly. Is Area 51 a no-fly zone? All we've seen is just what's in the documentaries. Perhaps is it over off on the left, or is it on the right? There's some kind of place that's definitely isolated over there that you can see on the right. Look at that, it looks like a strip for sure. I mean, so anyway, that's what the source is saying. This is brand new footage coming to us August 2nd, 2017. Just excellent footage over here, guys. But what I have to say, one of the better sightings. I know that we kind of say that. You know, we've been saying that lately, but man, these sightings that are coming into us are absolutely just, you know, just incredible. Clear footage. Look at the UFO. It looks like it's reflecting something over there. You can see some white spots on it, and it looks like there's, you know, I mean, is it metal? What is it? Some kind of black mass in the back end of the UFO. Looks like it's curved, where the front end looks like it's cut off. Just amazing footage, guys. UFO sightings, Area 51. Is it in fact Area 51? Is this in fact a new UFO? Is it something that's being tested? You know, those are the questions. And right now we're just going to take the source's word for it. If you guys have any further insight, or if this doesn't look like the location of Area 51, please let us know down in the comments below. Here's the extreme close-up of this UFO. Just incredible. I mean, how is this thing even staying afloat? I guess that's why it's a UFO, right? Unidentified flying object. Once again, guys, brand new footage. We just received this August 2nd, 2017. UFO sightings, Area 51. Incredible footage over here. And guys, down in the link, we're going to have a link to our newsletter. If you want to go ahead and sign up for that, if you like seeing these UFO videos we send out, exclusive UFO sightings that we don't get a chance to put up on the channel. We also send out free ebooks on UFOs and things like that, so you're going to want to check it out. It's free to join. And if you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Delta Airlines, the SkyTeam Alliance, and our global partners, and especially your Detroit-based flight crew. We thank you again for sharing your journey with us tonight. We have enjoyed having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon in the near future. We thank you again and have a wonderful day here in Paris and a safe trip to your final destination.
Alright, welcome back there. You just saw the original clip, and let's get into this. Take a look at this UFO sightings. Wow, this is it, and we are going to have to say this is absolutely it. Take a look at this amazing UFO footage. This was just filmed. The plane left the United States and just landed, we believe, in France, according to the source. And you can just hear what is going on. And they have just said thank you to the flight crew in Detroit. So this plane is left from Detroit, and here it is. It landed in France, and look at this UFO. I mean, this has to be it. Wow. It's a foggy night according to the source, and you can look and see in the runway. This is zoomed in right here. We did give you the original footage. This is brand new footage. We just received this footage February 9, 2018, and I have to tell you, this is some of the most compelling and convincing footage I have seen. Here it is. Look at this. Zoomed in. Proof positive. For sure. Well, that is just my opinion. That is just our opinion. And if you don't mind, just take a look at this footage. Let us know if you've seen this UFO before. We are interested. We would love to know if you have any input on this UFO footage. And if you do, please leave it down in the comments below. Let us know if you've seen this UFO. Let us know if you're aware of this UFO sighting. This is exclusive footage as far as we know. Check out the links in the description below. We have links to our newsletter. It's free to sign up, and we send out tons of UFO footage. So check that out. That being said, you have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. Drone captures UFO footage. Look at this. What an amazing sight, ladies and gentlemen. This particular footage does come to us from Michigan. The source was taking his drone out for a joyride. This is all in his words. Look at the buildings in the background. You can see cars. Apparently the drone was up about 250, 300 feet according to what he was saying. He's using a DJI Mavic Pro. I'm not too familiar with what that is, but that is what he said the model of the drone is. And look at this. He says he captured it in 2K footage, but we only got the 1080 HD, so we're just bringing it to you. And apparently it doesn't record any sound, so I guess that's just how the drone records it. But here's the footage. There's the raw footage. Look at that. It apparently flew right underneath the drone. Interesting footage. Look at it on the ground. You can see cars on the ground over there moving. Some incredible UFO footage. We have seen videos before where the drones have been capturing unidentified flying objects up in the sky, and this is a more recent one, once again from Michigan. We got this footage in April 22nd, 2018. Pretty incredible to say the least. I mean, what is this thing? Look at that. Looks like there's some crevices, some markings perhaps on it, or are those vents? And perhaps there's an engine or something inside it, and that's what was keeping it afloat. It's kind of hard to tell how big the actual UFO is. As we mentioned, it just flew right underneath. The source is drone. I mean, this is just absolutely incredible footage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us know what you think down in the comments below. Have you seen this drone? You know what's going on. If you were in Michigan, perhaps did you see it? And that's going to do it for the footage. If you like seeing these videos, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description below for our newsletter. It's free to sign up. Have a good day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Click subscribe. Click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.
We're on our way home. It's been a while, but we're finally here.